Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Azure Monitor alerts for app performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Azure portal and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Monitor. In the Monitor pane, click on Alerts. Next, click on the New Alert Rule button. Select the resource for which you want to set up performance alerts. Choose the appropriate resource type from the drop-down menu. After selecting your resource, click on Add Condition. In the Condition pane, use the search bar to find the specific metric you want to monitor. For app performance, you might select metrics like server response time or CPU percentage. Once you select a metric, set the condition parameters according to your needs. Specify the threshold that should trigger the alert. For example, you might set a threshold to notify you if the response time exceeds a certain duration. Click on Done to save your condition. Proceed to the Action Group section, then select or create an action group. An action group defines how you want to be notified, such as via email or SMS. If you are creating a new action group, provide a name and select your preferred notification methods. After configuring your action group, click on OK or Save. Next, enter a name for your alert rule in the designated field. Set the alert rule severity level based on your alert's importance. Finally, review all your settings and click on Create Alert Rule to activate your alert. Your Azure Monitor alert for app performance is now set up and ready to notify you of any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.